Hey guys, it's Kamila from Code with Kamila. Today we're going to be solving my little brother's Math Olympiad problem. In the cryptorhythm below, different letters represent different digits. If two letters are the same, they represent the same digit. What is the greatest value goose could be? Duck plus duck equals goose.
Okay, so we're gonna solve it programmatically using C#, right? And as always, we start with creating new application. Let's call it Math2. So let's go back to the definition of the problem. So the way we could approach that is we need to go over each digit, right? And we have 10 digits from 0 to 9, and see if we put those digits in place of D, U, C, K, if we add them, will they be equal to some other number and where the digits not the same, right? So what we have to do, the first thing we have to do, we have to go through each combination, like 10 combinations for each letter, right? If you're saying each combination and the number is 10, so you have 10 combinations, you immediately think about loops, right? Imagine we had, let's start with this. We start with D, let's go D from 0 to 9, D plus plus. Now for each combination of D, we want to make another combination of U, right? Understand? And U less than equal 9, because we have to go through each combinations. And for each combination of C, like 10 combinations, again starting from 0 less than equal 9, and the last combination is
K.
K equals 0, K less than 9 plus plus. So in this case, the duck is D multiplied by 10,000 plus U, because it's a thousands digit, right? Multiplied by 100 plus C multiplied by 10 and plus K. So that's our duck number. Also, there is a requirement. Those all digits should be different, right? So D is not equal, this is not equal, right? U and D not equal
To C.
C, and D not equal
To K.
K. Now we want to make sure U is not equal C and K either, right?
And D.
But we already said D, right? So not equal C, and U not equal K, and finally C not equal
To K.
K. Let's put it and move this inside the block, because that's the block, it's the limiting block. Let's see what numbers we'll come up with. It's going to be a lot of numbers, but we just want to see what's going to happen, right? We always try to run the program as often as we can. So a lot of numbers, they all like ordered, because we're doing ordered loops, right? And the last number was 9876. But the first number, I suspect, was 0, which is not what we want, because then we get 3 digits, right?
So that means D cannot be 0.
Yes, so what we have to do
is make it 1 through 9.
exactly, we have to start with 1. So now we got duck. If we want, let's not. So goose will be duck plus duck. Now what we have to do is to make sure that G is a different digit than D, U, C, K. O is different D, U, C, K, and G. S is different. All those again, right? How we can do it? In this case, we did numbers and we, small digits, and we made a big number. Now we have to do reverse. Unfortunately, it's harder to do it. The easiest way to do it is to turn goose to a string. Let's call it G. And how we make a goose?
String.
We call it to string. Now, once we have a string, it's like we can use remember indexes, so you can get the first letter of the
oh, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
yes. So in the easiest way to do it, I'm going to show you a trick. Let's not call it G, let's call it GS. And G will be, so if it's goose, so it's the first, if you remember, the string starts with 0, right? So it's GS, and the index is 0, right? And the trick is, I'm going to show you, is since this is a character. Characters in computers, they represent, they have there is a character map, right? They encode us somehow, and whenever you type something, so for instance, A is the code decimal 65. 0, 1, 2, 3. You see, they also have some number. Okay, so what the trick is to find the first and the order. The first number is 0, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the code, and this is the code of the letter, and we do minus the first letter, and first letter is 0. So this gives us the position. So 0 position is 0, the delta is 0, so it's 0 positions from 0. 1 is 1 away, 2 is 2 away, 4 is 4 away. That's what we're trying. When we're doing this, we're trying to get the position from the letter 0. Understand?
Not really.
So the trick is to in order to find number 4, so you want to find if the character in a goose, if the character in the first position is one of those, right? We know it's one of those. It's 0 to 9, and we just don't know which number it is, but we know it's from 0 to 9. If it's 48, 49, 50, 51, whatever, we don't know. So what we're trying to do is to say, I know the fifth, the character fifth is 5 times plus 5 of the 0. Understand? And O, it's gonna be GS1. Again, we're doing 0. S, it's not GS1, it's
2.
0, 1, 2, 3, because we're not using the second character.
Oh, because we know that it's going to
Yes.
be, okay.
But on the other hand, we also want to make sure that the second O is equal to first O. Let's do GS2 and E, it's GS, the final one, 4. Now we have to do this, the most boring part. We have to check if G not equal O, right?
Yeah.
And G not equal S, and
G not
not equal
E.
E, and G not equal, oh, we already did it.
Do we also have to say O is equal to O?
We have to say O is equal to O2 and O not equal S and O not equal E and S not equal
To E.
E.
That's it.
That's for now. Let's see what's going to happen. In this case, if this is true, we can print goose. But we want to print goose and duck, right? So to make sure, we do duck equal, and we can put our individual characters D, U, C, K, and also goose equal G, O, O2, right? S and E. Let's print it.
What happened?
What happened here? You see, it says index was outside of the bounds of the array. What it really means, it says goose is not, that it has less than 5 characters. What we didn't do, we didn't check if duck plus duck is higher than its 5 digits. So 5 digits means it's
So that means goose has to be over 9999.
9999. Because if it's less, then it's gonna throw exception. Let's run again. Now check. 9438 goose 18876. Almost there, but you can see that 8 is used here and here because we didn't check, right? We didn't check for the correctness. We didn't check if and G not equal D and G not equal U and G not equal C and G not equal K. Now we repeat the same for.
Is there not a shorter way to do this?
There is a shorter way, but we try to do very simple and do
So raise G.
O O O. So the algorithm we're using is a brute force because we just learning how to program. We don't know advanced things, so we're doing what's easiest, and brute force is usually the easiest way to solve the problem.
Well,
When-
also takes really long though.
Yes, it may take longer. It may not look be more efficient, but in our case, we just want to solve the problem, And let's see what we're going to get. Only four combinations. So let's check. 8327 plus 8327 is
1665.
8327 multiplied by 2 is,
Same thing.
yep. Now it's to 8345 multiplied by 2. So it looks like it is correct.
Yes.
So we found, so the greatest value will be for the goose,
18,872.
and the least
16,654.
That's it for today on Code with Kamila. Come back next week for more videos and don't forget to subscribe.